I love seeing new growth in the garden, especially the masses of vibrant greens of carrots. I successfully grew carrots, but did I do it right? Two months before my last average frost date, I tossed the tiny black seeds on the soil and covered them with a board. I patiently waited 3 weeks for carrot leaves to emerge while keeping the area watered. What a great feeling to know germination was successful! But the one thing that I didn't do, and that I wish I had done, was thin them down. How could I possibly choose which carrot lives and who doesn't? Without thinning, plants, especially carrots, get crowded. Crowding causes competition for light, moisture, and nutrients, yielding a stressed and sometimes mangled crop. Crowding also reduces airflow, which encourages fungal disease. You may be tempted to just reach in and pull plants out, but when seedlings are close, it is best to pinch or cut them at the soil line, reducing disturbance to their neighbor's roots. Thinning doesn't need to be an exact science, it just needs to get done. Carrots, like most root crops, are best sown in place outdoors. You should sow 1 inch apart and thin carrots to 1 every 3 inches when they are 1 inch tall. Then they should be thinned in rows 6 inches apart. Doing this allows the remaining crop to get full size. I obviously didn't do that with this crop. I have regular size and baby carrots, but if I had thinned them, the carrots would have been gigantic. Have you grown carrots before? Did you thin them? Let me know in the comments below. I have had a blast growing all the wonderful food that has came from the garden so far this year. My first dish I'm making with these carrots is farm fresh coleslaw. I just pulled a couple of cabbages and onions from the garden, so I can't wait to get started. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.